Hello and welcome to Perimeter and Area, narrated by Lana Zaid. What is the perimeter? A perimeter is the continuous line forming the boundary of a closed geometric figure. In order to find the perimeter, you must add all the sides of the figure. In our case, we must add all four sides together, and luckily, these sides are parallel to one another, and x and y must be added twice. So we must add x plus y, which will equal our perimeter. Examples of a perimeter. This first example has 12 as its length and 5 as its width. In the case of finding the perimeter, we must add all the sides together. So because 12 is equivalent to this side, then this side is 12. And since 5 is equivalent to this side is 5. When you add 5 plus 5 plus 12 plus 12, the final number comes out to be 34. And 34 is the perimeter of this rectangle. For this next example, we are going to reverse the process. So in this case, we are given the perimeter and we need to find the lengths of each side. For this example, we are working with a square, which means that all of the sides are equal, which makes finding the length slightly easier. The perimeter given is 44, and if there are 4 sides, that means that we need to divide by 4 to find one side length. Now, 44 divided by 4 is 11, so we have now found the length of one side. What is the area? The area is however as much space is taken up in the two-dimensional shape. To find the area, you must multiply the length and width together. Remember that we are trying to find the space on the inside of the figure. So in this example, we have to multiply x and y to find the area. Examples of an area. This first example has the length of 3 and the width of 4. And the first step is to multiply the length and the width together in order to find the area. So the area of the first example is 12. The second example has a length of 5 and the width of 2. We must set up the equation, which is 5 by 2. The total area of the second example is 10. Now you can double check by counting the actual amount on the inside of the rectangle, although depending on the figure, that can be difficult. So in our case, if we were looking at 12, or at this rectangle, we could try and add up all of these boxes to find the area. So if we counted, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For this one, we could count them all together and we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is the area of this figure. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that with this video, you now know a little bit more about perimeter and area.